Hey Bixby.
Namaste.
I will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
I didn't understand that.
Hey Google.
Hi, what can I do for you?
I will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
I'm here for whatever you need.
What's weather today?
The forecast in Aurangabad tonight is 27 degrees and cloudy.
29 degrees.
Right
and a
now,
low of
it's 26 degrees with fog.
What's weather tomorrow?
In Aurangabad tomorrow, there will be thunderstorms with a high of 30 and a low of 23.
With a high of 30 degrees and a low of 24 degrees.
Show me restaurant in Maharashtra.
I found a few restaurants near Maharashtra.
Who is Sundar Pichai?
According to Wikipedia, Pichai Sundararajan, also known as Sundar Pichai, is an Indian-American business executive, the chief executive officer of Alphabet.
How old is?
I didn't understand
Sundar
that.
Pichai is 48 years old.
Who is Johnny Depp?
According to Wikipedia, John Christopher Depp II is an American actor, producer, and musician.
Producer, and musician. He has been nominated for 10 Golden Globe Awards, winning one for Best Actor for his performance of the title role in Sweeney.
How tall is he?
Johnny Depp is 1.78 meters tall.
Take a look.
Who is Akshay Kumar?
I didn't
According
understand
to Wikipedia, Rajiv Hariom Bhatia, known professionally as Akshay Kumar, is an India-born naturalized Canadian actor, producer, martial artist and television personality who works in Bollywood films.
How tall is he?
Akshay Kumar is 1.78 meters tall.
Set an alarm for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Right, your alarm's set for
All
tomorrow
set.
at 9
It'll go
a.m.
off in 12 hours and 25 minutes.
Delete my alarm.
You can do that
All
in the app.
set. I've deleted your alarm for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
26 times 20.
26 by 20 is 520.
20 divided by 10.
The answer is
Setting
2.
volume.
Thirty plus 50.
The answer is 80.
50 minus 10.
The answer is 5.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Turning Wi-Fi off.
Turn on dark mode.
According to Wired UK, to turn on dark mode on an Android operating system, go to settings either by pulling down the notifications bar all the way and hitting the cog icon, or find it in your settings app. Then tap display and go to advanced.
Turn off dark mode.
According to Apple support, to turn dark mode on or off from
Certainly,
Control
I turned
Center,
it
pull
off.
down from the top right corner of your device, then touch and hold the brightness control. Then tap dark mode on or dark mode off.
Go to setting.
Opening
Please enter the
settings.
missing app name.